we're going to solve the problem number 9 that says a kitchen appliance manufacturing company determines that the total costing dollars of a producing X units of a blender is C is equal to 25X plus 3,500. Yeah. Now we're going with Aime that is going to help us to understand the problem and the passage.
Hi. So first of all, we need to draw the graph as the problem says. So for us to graph the problem asks us to draw the graph for the cost. So for us to do that, we need to clear X. And the answer is minus 140. Then we substitute minus 140 in the function, so we can know the value of y. So for us to do that, we need to clear X. And the answer is X is equal to minus 140. Then we substitute the value of X, that is minus 140, in the function, so we can have the value of y. And the value of y is 0 in this first point. Then we chose whatever number and so we can have the point in y. We chose 0 as the point, as the number. And we substitute in y, so we can have the other point, and the other point is... So for us to solve the problem, we need to draw the graph of the cost. For us to do that, we need to clear X, and the answer is X is equal to minus 140. Then we need to substitute the value of X, that's minus 140, in that function, so we can have the point in y, and the point in y is 0. Then you need to choose a certain number, whatever number you want, and we chose 0. So we substitute the 0 in y, and we got 3,500. So the 2 points that we have to graph the graph is A is minus 140, 0, and the second point is 0, 3,500. And the other way is that we choose two numbers, these numbers, and we chose X is in 0 and Y is 3,500, and the other point is, and the other point is X as 1 and Y as 3,525. So the 2 points that we have in the other way option is A 0, 3,500 and B 1, 3,525. So then we graph the graph of the cost. Then we have to describe the practical significance of the slope.
The function?
The function gives us the slope, so we just have to, so we already have the slope. And it represents how much you have to pay for the units that are produced.
Conclusion. With this problem, we learned how much the economics and mathematics are related, and we learned how to solve a basic problem of economics, and we also reviewed the linear function so we could be able to draw the graph of the cost. We conclude that mathematics are such a wonderful area that is applied in other subjects such as economics and in other areas. Also, we notice how math can solve every single problem and make life so much easier. As a group, we work to solve the problem and also to understand the project, and we're happy that we are able to solve it and also understand the problem.